All right, let's try one more example, slightly more difficult this time. They're not going to be in order, so we're going to have to rearrange these so that they are descending from greatest to least power. So x squared is your largest degree, largest power, and then plus the 2x, then minus 3. Just rewriting it so it's in the right order. Underneath, we're going to have 2x to the fourth plus 4x cubed. I'll just check them off to make sure I've got them all. Minus 5x squared plus 3x minus 2. All right, and so from here, we're just going to divide like we normally would. X squared goes into 2x fourth, 2x to the fourth, 2x squared times. And so now we're just going to multiply this 2x squared times every piece here. So 2x squared times x squared is 2x to the fourth. 2 times 2 is 4x to the third. And 2 times the negative 3 is minus 6x squared. And we will subtract straight down. 2x to the fourth cancels. 4x cubed cancels. And this turns into positive x squared. Remember what happens when we minus a negative. All right, so x squared goes into x squared one time. We don't have any need for the x's. We'll put a 0 as a placeholder. We'll put a 1 right there. Let's multiply back in. And I'm going to bring down two parts since we skipped the x's. Because we had a 0 up there, we're going to need to bring down two parts. X squared. And we've got plus 2x minus 3. And let's see what we've got here. We're going to subtract and get x. And we're going to get plus 1. Okay, at this point, we're going to get into remainders for the first time. The degree of x is smaller, down here of x, is smaller than the x squared, so there's no more dividing that we can do. So we're stuck. We're left with this x plus 1 left over at the end. So what we're going to do is we're going to write down our answer, 2x squared plus 1, plus we have a remainder. And the remainder is just going to be whatever's left over divided by the thing we're dividing by, x squared plus 2x minus 3. All right, and that's the leftover part that we can't divide away, so we just have to write it out as a fraction. Give it a shot, see if you can come up with the correct answer on 23. All right, we're going to put these in order to start. 2x cubed minus 8x squared plus 3x minus 9. And we got them all. Okay, x squared goes into 2x cubed 2x times. Let me make sure I write it in the right spot. We'd go over the x's. 2x, so 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. And we have minus 2x. We can do a placeholder here. And we'll bring this down with subtraction, minus 8x squared plus x. And so we can go ahead and multiply or divide through this one more time. We're going to say x squared goes into negative 8x squared negative 8 times. So we've got negative 8x squared minus 0x minus 8. Forget to bring down the negative 9. And so that cancels. We're left with x minus 1, because negative 9 plus 8, x minus 1. And we're stuck at this point. We've got a remainder, so we would have to say plus x minus 1 over x squared plus 1. And that would be our final answer.